Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download CapCut in iPhone. So for downloading CapCut in iPhone, open App Store on your mobile device. Then in App Store at the top right corner, you have this profile icon. You need to click on it. Then in account page, you have the option of personalized recommendations. You simply need to tap on it. Then on recommendations page, you have account settings button. You simply need to click on it. Then account settings page will pop up on your screen. Here you have the option of country or region. So you simply need to tap on it. So from this page, select the country or region where you lived. Then go back to home page and at the bottom right, you have this search bar. Click on it. And then in this search bar, you simply need to search for CapCut. Then on this page, CapCut with many other apps will appear on your screen. Here you can see it's already downloaded in my mobile device. But for downloading it in iPhone, what you need to do, click on this Get button. So it's not a big deal to download CapCut in iPhone. So it's very simplest and easiest way to download CapCut in iPhone. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.